a load of this guy.
So the engine strip and build, we took the engine that was, well, of course already in the car, stripped it down and then measured everything.
Unfortunately, the block was scored quite heavily and there was a few cracks here and there. So we had to, unfortunately, get rid of that block and get a new one in.
I've never built a proper engine before. I've mucked around with quad engines, but nothing serious. So that was my first experience of actually building an engine.
And rebuild the engine onto this new block, which was quite stressful, but we managed it, and we've had to replace all pistons and rods and such like, but learning things like polishing the crankshaft, I'd never done that before. That was really interesting to learn.
It's a lot different from just spanner it in an event to actually, well, getting it into pieces and going through everything and, well, make sure everything works and everything's clean and everything goes back on properly.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Do you think the spline's not aligned, that's why it's not going in? Because it looks dead on.
It's coming in at a bit of an angle.
Yeah, there's 2 bolts in.
Minutes. Watch out.
It's got this large space behind. Okay, start lifting. Someone go around that side. Someone toss me a 13 spanner, I'll make sure that...
And now the engine and gearbox are in, and unfortunately it's not starting at the minute.
Currently trying to get it running. There's a few electrical things going wrong. I don't really understand, but...
Hopefully, in the not too distant future, she'll be going, as we have the East riding stages and our shakedown and testing for that to look forward to in the next week or so.
We've got a shakedown on Wednesday if the car runs.
My pizza's getting cold. Sa'n coelio beth sy'n bod ar y car, a sgyn am syniad. Rwy'n edrych efo ma'n ar y batri, a rwy'n tybio nad oes am pwer yn cyrraedd y batri. Wel, dim cyrraedd y batri, yn hydrach yn cyrraedd yr injan. A dyma pam rydyn ni'n cael y broblem o beidio cychwyn y car.
Otherwise I think like back off and the spark plug so the one just make sure. Well, they are off, aren't they? We should be able to fire.
There's three.
So number 1 is.
Oh, we could just run 3 till bottom.
Is it definitely?
No, because it's.
I can't remember.
This is gearbox, and why is that one throwing up that then?
But there's no continuity to that battery.
Yeah.
The fuse to there, to here, to this wire for, well, the kind of critical stuff.
For road D, the current changes quite a bit. Could that be it?
Like 28 degrees, like that.
Yeah, all the temps.
All temps are okay.
He's just got a great video of classic
Crank.
Percy, watch the coolant. Make sure it doesn't get low. If it gets low, refill.
I drove off taking my car to all my number twos because I can't be asked to get out of the car. I just want to look at my phone.
That's how I feel. Outside I'm smiling, inside I'm screaming!
Charlie and or Rory? Yeah?
Yeah, what is it?
Possibly got some scoring on cylinder 3.
Have a check over there.
Yeah.
Just stuff and check, see it isn't there, and
Booming in the sun.
To me, it sounded way too rhythmic to be like combustion depth.
that's what I was
Could
thinking.
be.
If it thinks it's constantly out of phase, but
Am I holding it? No.
yeah, if it we think it's
Oh, is it just the oil?
I don't know.
Oh, is the oil colouring it?
You just cleaned up the red, cleaner. What do you think?
And then it happened again.
Yeah, no,
I remember speaking to Callum about spun bearings once before, and he said like literally always the case is oil.
Oil?
Yeah. Like oil stuff, yeah. That's when they start gripping.
Any chance I could get a pair of pliers along those?
Anyone running right there?
Might even be able to see it. Can you just pop the oxbelt off? Just
Yeah, can we borrow your bottom end
yeah, some of it. But like 9 times out of 10, it's like
Picked up part from Phil.
oh right. So yeah, because
But what actually happened, which Phil was quite weird. Parker Buster's trying to turn around up. Oh, it's your camera. It's on record. How you doing, chaps?
Good morning.
Good morning. Hello. I've stolen his camera, and he's going to delete all of this and get very annoyed.
Just fill a storage file up with.
I love the green, the white, the blue.
Absolutely loved it, yeah. Well, that's strange. But I'm
whatever it says on the whiteboard.